Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Motorhead Garage is presented by NHOU Protective Coatings. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Motorhead Garage is up and running. We are talking about muscle cars today, and if you have one, you want to upgrade it, but you don't want to spend a fortune, that's where Vicrez comes in. Catherine, how can you help me out?
So we do have about 3,000 products for your car. So whatever you need, we have it.
And we're talking performance stuff and items to make your car look better as well. And I see you brought some film there. You have the PPF, which is the paint protection film. In other words, you want to wrap the vehicle to protect your paint job. You have the clear and the matte. What are some of the properties of that make it a super high quality wrap?
So if you don't want to go ahead and repaint your car because it is pretty expensive, you could go ahead and add on the matted PPF or gloss, whichever look you want to go for. That'll keep your paint fresh for years and years to come. Of course, when it wears out, you replace it and do it again, and you still have a fresh paint job underneath. And carbon fiber is the coolest thing out there right now. There's a lot of parts maybe you can't get in carbon fiber, or you got to spend a fortune to do it, and you have a solution for that as well. Correct. You could get gloss or dry carbon, so you could wrap anything you want with it, and you don't have to go and pay a fortune for a carbon fiber custom made.
So it's that carbon fiber look without the carbon fiber price.
Pretty much, yeah.
I think that's kind of the bottom line with Vicrez. Again, you don't have to dump all your money into making your car look great. You can still have the car of your dreams. And a lot of folks are doing the wide body look, especially for the muscle cars like the Mopar and everything.
So the wide body kits is an easy install. Everything goes fit onto the fenders of the car. It's molded to it already.
How does it attach?
It attached with brackets and double-sided 3M tape.
That's it. So you can do this in an afternoon.
6 hours, you're already wide body.
And the material here, can I paint this?
You could paint it or wrap it if you like.
And then you brought a diffuser and a wing for the Chrysler here.
So basically, if you want to go ahead and get lower weight on some of the products that your car OEM has, you could go ahead and get carbon fiber. It helps with the weight reduction.
Now the carbon fiber look, we talked about that with the wraps, and I neglected to mention the other colors of wraps. What's the catalog like as far as the wrap colors?
We do carry about 350 colors, so you have a big variety to go ahead and choose from.
And who's using your wraps and who's using your products? We have shops installing this. Is this something I can do at home?
Yeah, we have different dealers that are buying it. There's car shops that we work with that they go ahead and use our vinyl to fully wrap their customers' cars.
And I've heard folks raving about the kit to install the vinyl as well. It looks like it has everything they're going to need to do a great job making that vinyl look good.
Yeah, so we sell all the tools that you need to wrap a car.
Now, customization when it comes to the wraps, we've seen some beautiful custom wraps here. You can do the full wrap, and what if I have something that I want to have personalized or customized? How do I do that process with Vicrez?
So you could submit your own design, or you could have one of our in-house designers and do a 360 view of a full custom wrap.
So you know what that's like before you say yes and pull the trigger.
Correct. We'll do a whole template and we'll do a 360 view. You can see it from all angles without having to purchase it and put it onto your car.
Now, is that installed by a professional, or how do I receive that? How do I get it installed?
We ship it to you, and you're free to open to go to any shop to have it installed.
Someone I trust locally would be perfect for that.
Correct.
And they know they're getting a high quality product as well. And speaking of high quality, let's talk about the wheels back here.
The 2-piece forge wheel and the full 1-piece forge wheel and the cast wheel. And we could go ahead and do it as 3-piece as well.
Okay, so we're talking performance there. We're also talking performance when it comes to exhaust systems. For which vehicles are you making exhaust?
We are doing it for the Charger, Challenger, C8, the Mustang, and the Durango right now.
What's the installation process like? I know you think of something like that as being major surgery, but it really wasn't that tough. We did it right here in the studio.
Yeah, it's not that tough. You do need a couple hands. It's plug and play. So you take off yours, you bolt on the other one, and you're good to go.
And one thing that's very personal to drivers is their steering wheel. And I've seen a lot of cool stuff on the Vicrez website. What kind of customization can you do with steering wheels?
You could get it in full carbon fiber, forged carbon, honeycomb. You could change the carbon fiber look in different colors, the stitching different colors, the leather. It could be Alcantara, perforated, or Napa leather. And you get it with LED or non-LED and the carbon fiber inlay.
In addition to the steering wheels, another important element to that, the paddle shifters. You guys do that too?
Yeah, we do it for the C8 and the Dodge cars like Charger, Challenger, and Durango Jeeps.
And what are the materials that we can choose from?
It is made out of carbon fiber and forged carbon. Those are the only ones that we have right now, yeah.
Amazing, like a Formula One car. You can get it any way you want. You can go to Vicrez.com. You can find thousands of pieces and parts that are going to make your car perform better and look cooler on the street. Check them out. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by NHOU Protective Coating, so don't go anywhere.